Hey! It's Monday. We are starting off the week strong with, I keep saying that expression, like starting off something strong. I don't know why it's in my vocabulary right now, but anyway. I actually feel like my vlogs have been super real time. Like yesterday I uploaded a video called Spend Sunday With Me and it was shot that day. So we're directly into the next day and I want to show you guys my gluten-free chicken nugget recipe. It's so good and it's so easy. And then I'm also just like prepping some ingredients I got yesterday at the farmer's market and things like that, so I thought I'd show you. It's randomly freezing, even though it was so warm and beautiful in LA. Now it's cold, and then I think at the end of this week it's going to be really hot again. And I'm debating, I have to make a decision by the end of the day. I'm debating if I should fly to Miami on Thursday because I got a good work opportunity and it's haunting me to say no. But also I really don't want to leave Milo and I don't really want to leave home. Ground chicken. So for the bowl you need ground chicken and an egg and seasoning. All this. Garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, salt, paprika. These are the breadcrumbs I use. These are the best. Oh, I actually want to show you this so you're not alarmed. I don't want you guys to be freaked out. I think it's just a little bit of fat that seeps through the chicken when it's cooking. I always just wipe it off. So don't panic. I know that spring and summer can actually be like quite anxiety driven for a lot of people just because it's a time where social media becomes very active and a lot of people are posting about their trips and their life and their bodies and this and that. And I know as a woman it can be really hard to not compare yourself. I know sometimes it doesn't feel like justified to not feel good from somebody else's life or their posts or whatever, but I also understand that that's a reality that I think everybody kind of faces in our generation. You guys know I'm always talking about BetterHelp, so thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know, which I feel like you do, But BetterHelp is an online therapy service. You can video chat, you can phone call in, you can message your therapist, like whatever works for you, but you can do it from the comfort of your own home, which I think is obviously really nice. And I just know that with this time of year, there's a lot of vacation photos and people living their best life. And sometimes as a consumer, you see that and you're like, oh my God, should I be doing this? Or I don't have friends to do this with, or I don't know. Sometimes I feel like you can just create a lot of, like this time of year is my favorite and I love the sun and I love everything it brings, but I also can see and understand and have been in a position before where it's made me feel like lonely. 69% of users on BetterHelp have reported improved anxiety after 6 weeks of therapy, which I think is amazing. I can very, very, very confidently say therapy took a lot of time for me, but it's helped me develop into the person I am today. BetterHelp makes it really easy to start therapy. So you'll just fill out a questionnaire and then they'll match you with a therapist in a couple days. This eye is not cooperating. And of course, if you don't like your therapist, you can switch and they won't charge you, free of cost. You're not like stuck to one therapist. All of their therapists are very qualified and they also have a great customer support team. So you can click the link in my description box. I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. You can get 10% off your first month of therapy with my special link. And if you feel like you need it, I really hope you take me up on this offer. I've been loving like a brown lip liner and then smudging it out to be a little bit more subtle. I think it's a nice look. I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. We can pack together. I can't believe I'm leaving this weekend. What's wrong with me? I do want to go to the seamstress tomorrow morning and see if she can hem something in one day's time because I really want to wear this blue polka dot dress in Miami. Like, I need to. It's a non-negotiable that I need to wear this dress there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day. Packed and ready. I'm making a coffee because I need it. I feel really tired. I'm so excited to go to Miami. I've never been. Look how cute. It's day one in Miami and we're going to the Live golf tournament today. It was supposed to be really sunny and now it looks kind of windy outside, which is sad. But hopefully it clears up. I think we're just going to the golf thing for a little bit. Hopefully we can go read and tan maybe by the pool or the beach. And then we have dinner later tonight at Carbone, which I'm so excited. I didn't sleep very much, you can probably tell. Oh, and I have somebody coming here right now to do my hair. I should not have picked my face. Okay, see you when I'm getting my hair done. She's just getting started. Guys, I just got home from Miami today. I'm exhausted. It was a really fun trip. I feel like 2 days in Miami feels like a week. So happy to be home. I'm having my friends over for a little barbecue. I prepped some of the steaks and stuff like an hour ago. So we're doing steak, chicken, broccolini on the grill. I'm doing some rice and a big side salad.
Should I call security? Your thing's at like 400. I don't want to spray it and ruin all the food in case this is fine.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Your steak's on fire.
I know. I don't think that's normal.
No.
I don't think that's normal either.
Careful. What do you do?
I don't know. Do you
Should I get water?
Does it not?
I don't think we should do anything with it.
Olivia, we have to put it out.
Should I put water on it? Maybe not next to the grill though.
Oh,
No. So yeah, that was crazy. That was really crazy.
This is so cute, guys. Happy Sunday night.
happy Sunday dinner.